Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I want to explain to you guys about me finding myself in the garden. So if you want to know what I mean by that, please stay tuned with us. So Ultimate Gardeners, in this video I will talk to you guys about an announcement I have that is coming up for the Ultimate Gardening social media platforms. So the announcement is all my pages that I own, whether it be Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, all of those platforms are going to be 100% devoted to flower gardening now. It's a decision that I've been thinking of for the past few weeks lately, and even for the past few months, because I have fallen into a situation of confusion, or a state of confusion, because I really did not know what I wanted to do, because me doing vegetables and flowers at the same time, I wasn't able to balance those two topics or give my full devoted time to it. And so I really want to devote my time to one certain topic and give you guys everything I have when it comes to it. So I chose the topic flowers because if you guys been with me since day one, you guys know that growing flowers have been a delight of mine and my original roots, because I've been a florist longer, I've been a gardener. So me going back to my original roots, I'm super excited to do so, and hopefully you guys will be able to follow my journey of me transforming my garden to the fairy tale-esque garden I have imagined for the following years. Of course, I'm not gonna be saying goodbye to vegetables fully. I will be growing some vegetables here and there whenever I have time to do so. But I just really wanted to explain to you guys the transition I'm doing, because although school is wrapping up, we only have a 2-month break, and after those 2 months, which they go by like this, I'll have to fully devote my time to school again, and I really won't have time to balance both of them at the same time. So although it was a difficult decision to do only flowers, because I love growing my own food, flowers just beats vegetables for multiple different reasons out there. So if you have any video suggestions you would like me to publish in the near future, please leave them in the comment section below, because I will have no problem at all doing them for you guys. I really just want to inspire multiple different generations out there to get their hands in the dirt and start their own garden, because as you guys know, my gardening channel quote is growing generations by generations, and that's the quote I'm sticking to, and hopefully I'll be able to achieve that goal for the rest of my life. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you so much again for all the support you have given to me and to this channel. I really do appreciate it, because from a young gardener's point of view, all the support means the absolute world. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and hopefully you guys will be on board and supporting my journey in becoming a flower gardener and becoming the best gardener I can be in the near future. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and may God bless you and your family, and also never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.